How you like living here? Like why? Why do you love it? See, the people in a place know everything.
Yeah.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher.
Yeah. What do you teach?
I'm a world history teacher and wrestling coach.
Oh, awesome, man. I saw you doing your push-ups, man. How many did you get in?
I'm just doing sets of 25 right now, so
Awesome, man. Okay. How long did you sign a lease for?
we just signed our second year late lease.
Yeah. How many months they give you free?
You know, it's 12-month lease.
Yeah.
There's options.
Yeah. Okay.
There's if you want a place like this, there's so many.
Yeah, I know.
From like, I mean, so nice to
Yeah.
decent.
Beautiful. Thank you. Be great, man. See, look, man, I can get any of these people to talk to me. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in the neighborhood. Okay. Look at this little lot right here. This is what I was telling you about. Okay. See, in Houston, the zoning. You see, because Houston's like, hey, we let people do whatever they want to do. It's got that kind of that conservative, Republican. Let people do whatever the hell they want to do, man. They want to build a filling station. That's kind of a problem, okay? Now that the city's grown over the last 50 years, you got more control, but you still do get a little sporadic stuff like a dumbass lot empty right here. Always a truck in front of it. Shit.
That makes me happy.
I'll bet you for every family of 2 people in Houston, there's 3 trucks. I'm sure there's some fact on that. So what I want to do is find out what these homes cost, okay? See these homes right here, these townhomes? Hey, man, can you do me a favor? What's this neighborhood like, man? I'm looking at getting an apartment right over here.
It's great, man.
It is?
Yeah, you see me walking around, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty nice out here.
Yeah. You own a house here? Or
I
you
stay in
rent?
these apartments, also West End.
Yeah, how do you like those
Yeah,
apartments?
they're nice.
What do you
they're
pay?
nice.
What do you pay there?
I'm paying about $1,200 right now.
Man, that dude I talked to is paying $1,900, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
You in a
I got
one
in
bedroom?
early
You in a
now.
1 bedroom?
I'm in a 1 bedroom. Yeah.
Yeah. Would you do it again?
Yeah. If
Are
I
you
don't
gonna
move.
stay there? You gonna stay there?
I don't know. I'm looking like somewhere around here or Memorial area.
What do you do?
I am a personal trainer.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's the economy here?
That's good. Yeah, it's booming.
People aren't crying about the oil thing?
I don't know about all that.
Yeah. Okay, man. Hey, thanks a lot, all right?
All right, man.
And what are these homes? These are single family homes back here?
I believe so. It's some townhouses, stuff like that.
How long you gonna rent, man? How long before you buy a house?
Probably like another year or so.
Yeah. Don't buy a house, man. That's a dumb thing to do, man.
Yeah.
Take care,
All
man.
right, thanks.
See, everybody wants to buy a house. Oh, I gotta buy a house. Stupid.
They think that's what you're supposed to do.
So, you see, they're building homes right here. Okay, they're building homes right here. So I have to know. I got to know. It's a lot of work buying real estate. I got to know. I mean, it's a lot of work making money in real estate. I got to know before I buy this deal what those are selling for. But I do know people saying, yeah, I like it there. I like it there. This is the property.
Because people would rather pay to own something if it's going to be the same. That's their logic. Why would I rent if I'm going to pay 19? Wouldn't I pay that towards my house that I own?
Yeah, exactly.
That's what people think, though.
It's 36 million. Okay, hold on. I'll ask Captain Ryan. Ryan, how much is this, Ryan? How much is this? 185. How many units? 232, I think. Can I just park right here, bro?
It says no parking, but you're a pretty special kind of guy.
Let me just pull. I'll pull in the garage. So that's $54 million. That deal takes $27 million in cash. You understand? $27 million. This is what they're building next door. Again, you got to know the neighborhood. Another restaurant. They love to drink here. They love their beer here.
I love that.
They love their tequila. They love their fake. They love their trucks. And did I say they love their guns?
They like their big hair, too.
Boom, boom. Now, these are apartments or townhomes, you
They're called
think?
vistas.
What do you think,
I
Ryan?
think they're condos.
I mean, I think they're condos, but I don't. Oh, I like this. I like off-roading.
Dude, let's do it, man.
When I looked on Zillow, though,
You want to get along with it? What?
the average home price in this area out to the east is $400K.
Truck driver. Get put my accent right here. I can be like, God damn, I'm ready to go eat me some ribs. Roll. Get my boots on. Take off these little. See, I got my little trendy look on. I got my little, you know,
Your bicep.
my bisexual look on today with my biceps. And when the first time I heard that word bisexual, I said, "You talking about my biceps?"
Then you realize there's
Bisexual. You mean bisexual? I'm a bisexual. I'm conceptual. I'm bisexual. I got biceps. And they're like, "No, man." I'm like,
It's a sold. Those are condos.
"Yeah, I think they're." So you see, you got to know the neighborhood, you know. You got to know the neighborhood. The thing about real estate, man, it's not. You don't want to get too serious about it, because it's not like the stock market, you know. It's not like things don't go. Things just like that company, that group right there is not going away.
So
Okay.
right
Now we're gonna see their sister,
you've got
the sister property. These builders, they never do one thing, right? They're like,
the heights.
they're ants, roaches.
Oh my God.
Where you see one roach, there's more. So I'm gonna go around the neighborhood. I'm gonna see the builder. He built something over here. Oh, see where I see one roach, I see another roach. Does that look familiar to the last deal we just looked at? Direct competition. The builder comes in, pops in 2 places. He gets out of this one at 207 a door. He stuck with that one because his timing. He got greedy, stayed around too long. Now he's got another deal. He's going to sell that for about 180 a door. That's what they're saying. So I would be in for $37,000 per unit less than that last deal. Then you got to know. You got to know the city. You got to know location. You know what that means? Like that block of that location, not just like you got to know the whole story. Parts of cities die. You want me to go left? What do you want me to do?
Are you plugged into your roadmap or no?
I got to do everything, huh?
No, I.
That's the other thing, you know.
Let me do that. Let me get it.
J Black's is right here. Restaurants are everywhere, man. That, you know what that means? Party.
Now,
Did I tell you what people in Houston like to do? They like their trucks. They like their guns. They like their beer. What else they like, Elena?
They're like big hair.
They like big hair. See these apartments right here? Look at this. You don't need to show it.
And they like to eat.
So, tell me the story, Ryan, about the between 1986 and 1995 there was nothing built, right?
Uh-huh.
Is that the story? Okay.
Yeah, I'll get the exact.
No, I'll
dates.
take care of it. Let me do it all.
Bill was saying there was a block of 10 years where the workforce wasn't growing, so none of the builders were building out here.
Yeah. See that little sneaky I just
And
did?
so you see a lot of 80s product, early 80s, 85s. This is all the
Yeah.
B product. And
Well,
actually,
but again, you see that what that tells you is this is a boom or bust town. Now, you see, look at the competition here, though, dude. I got yards. The thing I didn't like about that place, I feel like I'm in a bit of a trap.
Right, you're a mid-rise. It almost feels like a high-rise. This is more garden style.
Then this is more garden.
Yep.
It feels like I got a little room to walk.
Yep.
That other one, I don't feel like there's any room to move there.
Yeah, your site is a lot smaller.
Yeah, I mean, like look at this. I'd much rather own this,
Sure.
right?
Yeah. Yeah. I would rather own both.
Ooh, he'd rather own both.
Pack them in. Pack them in.